Hey guys, Zach Money here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest airplane ever made. I'm still making airplane videos now. Well, it's an origami airplane. Well, it's the easiest thing I've ever made. First fold is you want to take right here and fold it so you have a triangle. And make sure you subscribe. Okay. Subscribe. Okay. So once you've done that, you want to open it. And take right here, and then fold it down. And then do the same with the other side. So you want to have that. Then, number 3, easy. Take right here and fold it down to your 2 airplane flaps, and then crease, of course, crease. And fold in half, and then wings, and then that's it, because it's the easiest origami in the world.
Jeffrey, you did this on your own? That's pretty good.
It's right in the back.
I hope you saved it. I didn't listen to it. Yeah, Boo Boo, you didn't do anything. Come
All right.
cover it, Jeffrey.
Then do the same on the other side. Sorry about that, Mom. Guys, that was my mom. I'm doing my homework soon. Well, that's it. I make an origami